Hello and welcome to this introduction to my product strategy model. My name is Roman Pischler, and in this video I'll explain my framework to you. But before I get into the details, let me first briefly say why using a strategy model is important. Now, to achieve product success and to maximize the value a product creates, you have to make the right strategic decisions. But I find that many product teams do not use a systematic approach to create and evolve a product strategy. Consequently, it's unclear, for example, what the specific problem is that the product should solve and what its standout features should be. Or there's confusion about the difference between the strategy and roadmap and how the two plans are connected. This makes it difficult, if not impossible, to make the right strategic choices. My strategy model wants to help you develop a winning product strategy that guides and aligns the stakeholders and development teams. It's ideally suited for managing digital products in an agile context. So let's take a look at it now. The model starts with the product vision, which describes the product's purpose, the ultimate reason for creating it, and the positive change it should bring about. You can think of the vision as the product's true north that guides everyone involved in achieving product success. This includes the stakeholders, the management sponsor, and development teams. A sample vision might be help people eat healthily, assuming that you want to offer a product that helps people improve their eating habits and take advantage of the related benefits. With a shared and inspiring vision in place, you are in a great position to create an initial product strategy. The strategy communicates the approach chosen to realize the vision and to make the product successful. Coming up with a strategy requires you to make 4 important choices. First, selecting the needs the product should address, for example, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, to stay with the healthy eating example. Second, determining the market or market segment, the users and customers who should benefit from the product, for instance, middle-aged men with unhealthy eating habits who are at risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Third, choosing standout features that set the product apart from competing offerings. These might include measure and record sugar levels in foods and analyze eating habits and make individualized recommendations. Fourth, setting realistic business goals that describe the benefits the product will create for the company developing and providing it. These may include financial goals like a revenue target, as well as acquiring new knowledge and developing the brand. With a validated strategy in place, you are in a good position to build an actionable product roadmap. The roadmap describes how the product strategy will be implemented in the next 6 to 12 months. It communicates the specific benefits the product will achieve, and it aligns the stakeholders and development teams. An effective product roadmap is built on product goals, which describe the outcomes the product should create. For instance, the first benefit on a roadmap that helps create a healthy eating product might be help users understand their eating habits and acquire an initial user base. The second one might be help users improve their eating habits and grow the user base. Additionally, the roadmap may contain elements like dates or timeframes, selected coarse-grained features, and metrics. A date or timeframe states when a goal should be met. The features sketch the output required to achieve a goal, and the metrics help you understand if a goal has been accomplished. A product roadmap that is based on product goals provides a solid basis for deriving a product backlog and making the right tactical product decisions. You can simply copy the next product goal into the backlog together with its features, then add further items that are required to meet the goal, such as epics and user stories, workflow diagrams, sketches, mock-ups, and non-functional requirements. As you move from vision to the product backlog, the decisions you take become more specific, and higher level goals are translated into increasingly detailed and focused ones. The vision is transformed into needs and business goals. From these, product goals are derived, which in turn guide the discovery of the right product backlog items. Additionally, the timeframes become progressively shorter, from 5 to 10 years covered by the vision to a product backlog that contains items for the next few months. In addition to the 4 artifacts described earlier, my model offers 2 templates that I have created: the product vision board and the Go product roadmap. The product vision board helps you capture the product vision and strategy. The The Go product roadmap helps you communicate a product roadmap that is based on product goals and outcomes. You can download both templates for free from my website, and you can find more guidance on how to apply them into other YouTube videos on my channel. The links are in the description below. While my model suggests that product planning starts with vision setting, the connections between its elements are bi-directional. Now this means that bigger product backlog changes may trigger product roadmap modifications. Similarly, larger product roadmap updates can lead to a product strategy change. And finally, if you can't find a validated product strategy, then you'll have to change or abandon the product vision. So let's take a look at how this works. The process starts with a product strategy being created and validated. The validated strategy forms the basis for developing a product roadmap that implements it. The roadmap in turn directs the product backlog and helps discover the right product backlog items. These are then transformed into product increments and eventually a product. The former allows you to determine the development progress using, for example, a release burndown chart. The latter enables you to measure the product performance using key performance indicators or KPIs like engagement, revenue, and customer satisfaction. The data you collect helps you inspect the strategy and roadmap and adapt and evolve the plans. Strategy and execution are therefore systematically connected in my model. Strategic decisions guide the discovery and implementation of product backlog items, and insights from the tactical work, the delivery work, lead to changes in the product roadmap and strategy. This ensures consistent decisions, and it avoids a strategy execution chasm where strategic and tactical decisions are disjointed. In the worst case, such a chasm results in the development teams doing a great job at building the completely wrong product. No matter though how well thought out your product strategy and roadmap are, they are worthless if the stakeholders and development teams do not buy into them. An effective product strategy model should therefore offer ways to facilitate collaboration with the stakeholders and development teams in order to leverage their expertise, create a shared understanding, and maximize buy-in. My model achieves this by involving the individuals in creating and updating the plans in form of collaborative workshops. These take place at least once every 3 months. The person in charge of the product should lead the strategy workshops and ensure that the right decisions are made. The Scrum Master or Agile Coach should facilitate the sessions and ensure that everyone participates and nobody dominates. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you would like to learn more about my strategy model and product strategy in general, then attend my product strategy and roadmap training course, which is also available online, and read my book, Strategize. Thank you for watching.